Go.
Hi, Jared. Hi, Daddy.
Okay.
This is fucking good. So funny.
Jared, where did your book go?
You can put it on YouTube.
I want to be on TV.
Jared, there's your book. Jared, there's your book.
Wow. Can you put me on TV, please?
Still.
I only wish my brother Ben was here. Eat a kitty clam.
Amy Saunders, daughters accepting my friend request.
He took me a long time.